when somebody clicks to that page, they see the right price. Otherwise, it becomes switch and bait. So if you have a few hundred products, it's really easy to fix this problem where we're running into both issues now. You know, we're consulting clients who have these pages set up the right way with variants. We're also consulting clients who don't have one specific product page and they just have thousands and thousands of variant pages as individual products. So there is a big dilemma here, because if you don't have it set up the right way, it's a problem, because you are going to have a lot of indexed product pages and you're going to dilute your authority for your e-commerce site. And if you have it set up the right way, and if you have over 1,000 products with, let's say, a combined 10,000 variants, what's going to happen is your product fees are going to get rejected. And AdWords is not the only one that's doing that. A lot of marketplaces that accept these URLs and feeds are basically doing this because they want to make sure that when they advertise a product and a price, or let's say a variant of a product and a price, when somebody clicks to that page, they see the right price. Otherwise, it becomes switch and bait.
Yeah,
right.
No, I'm glad you mentioned that, because we said Google Shopping. However, the same exact issue happens on Facebook.
Correct.
Right? If you're trying to run ads on Facebook with variant product pricing, Facebook's going to deny your ad. It's going to get shut down, and in some cases, worst cases, your ad account actually gets taken down. And going through that appeal process is something that I wish upon not even my worst enemy.